friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I am super excited for today's video क्योंकि आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ a lot of my favorite products from the recent times. There is a good mix of everything. There is clothing, there is bags, then there is lipstick, and there's a lot that I want to share with you guys. And I'm going to I'm sure y'all are gonna love this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So let's start with clothing first. I have a couple of products from H&M जो मैंने लिया है and I've been loving it. First of all, I have this waistcoat. It's a tailored waistcoat in black and इसका जो पूरा जो look है, it is so good. I love pairing it with denims. I liked pairing it with a skirt as well. And इतने अलग तरीके से you can style it. That's so versatile. Absolutely love this. Also have these soft denims from H&M and they have this elasticated waist. They are so soft, so comfortable. I have not been a jeans person since a long time. मतलब especially गर्मी में I just don't like wearing jeans. But अगर denims इस तरीके से हैं, soft हैं, then I would love wearing them through the summers. So this is another favorite. Got the softest pair of pajamas from H&M. I got them in a shade black. That's the shorts and this is the shirt that comes with it. It looks super cute when you wear it. And best part is जब sale चल रहा था मुझे बहुत अच्छे discount पे भी मिल गया. And it's just so soft and I like styling this shirt with my trousers as well. You really cannot make out it's a part of a pajama set. So love this. तो ये मैंने थोड़ा skeptical होके ख़रीदा, but I have been loving this because it's like जब आपको नहीं पता क्या पहनना, you can just wear this and head out by adding accessories. That's it. It's a very long t-shirt dress and it's like oversized, super comfortable, very simple. It has like this little bit closed neckline and that long. So ये अलग color में भी आता है. It comes in a black, I believe, and I just love this dress. Whenever I have to just like head out for a small drive with my son, or I really don't know what I'm going to wear and I don't have the mood to like dress up, I just wear this, put some gold accessories and it looks very chic, very stylish. कोई भी footwear, कोई भी bag आप इस पे pair कर सकते हो. It's such a versatile piece. Like you can even pair it with denim jackets. Love this. Okay, I have a few trousers जो मैंने Zara से pick किए and I've been loving it. One is this black linen trousers. आप similar, you can find it on Myntra. I'll try and add links for you guys. So I've added a picture where I've styled the same black shirt from H&M, the pajama shirt with the linen pants, and I love the way it turned out. Or you can style it the way I did here. Again, I added a picture where I've paired it with a blazer. Very like casual but chic, and love these pants. They're so comfortable for the summers. And another pant which I have been loving and literally like living in it every time is this one. It's like jogger style cotton pants from Zara. It has the tapered end at the waist and you have a tie-up detail here. It has pockets at the back like so, and you have pockets here as well. And again, it is something so comfortable and convenient for the summertime. Matlab, I just wear this, a white t-shirt, sneakers, and I'm good to go. I also paired it with a printed block Pinterest shirt. Recently, I've added the picture here so you can have a look. That again looks so good, and I've been really like literally living in these pants. Okay, next I have these trousers. It's high-waisted and pleated right here, and it's such a nice shade of gray. Like I don't have this kind of a shade with me, and I love high waisted trousers. They look so chic, and आप कितने अलग तरीके से स्टाइल कर सकते हो. You can wear shorts, you can wear crop tops. There's so many ways. You can wear sweatshirts. Love these kind of trousers. And जब मुझे trousers खरीदने होता है, usually gravitate towards Zara because I love the fit of their trousers, and I believe you can find similar ones on Myntra, but I'll see if I can link something similar for you guys. Okay, coming to the last trouser जो मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ. This is from a homegrown label. It's called Staple, Shop Staple. मैंने काफ़ी पहले ये लिया हुआ है, and again it's such a beautiful color. It's high waisted, and I got this in a big size. So ये जो bottom area है, it's quite loose for me, but for some reason I just love it that way. And again, it's super comfortable. And ये जो brand है, they make such amazing, like, you know, staple outfits जो आप work wear or your vacation, you can just wear them. They're classic pieces and never go out of style. तो मैंने बहुत पहले शिमला में ये पहना हुआ था, and I love the way that looked. And you can again style it for work wear. Like, I've added a picture right here where I've paired it with a basic white linen shirt, and looks so classy, so elegant, and something that I always love and gravitate towards too. Okay, I have to mention these two products क्योंकि इतने बार मैंने इन्हें यूज़ किया है, there's no count to it. The first one is this bag from Miragio. It is such a classic bag, and आपने बहुत बार मेरे कंटेंट में भी इसे यूज़ करते हुए देखा है. The color combination, everything is just spot on of this bag. Look at the inside of this, and it's something that you should really buy, okay, because it will go with anything and everything. And जो दूसरा बैग है, it's this one again, a structured bag, beautiful design. मुझे बस इसका ये जो डिज़ाइन है, the simplicity but yet it looks so statement. The color is so nice, and जब मुझे कुछ pop of color add करना होता है, neutral looks, and I love picking up this bag. It goes well with everything, and there's so much you can stuff in. I always wanted a clutch like this, you know, these oversized clutches, and हमेशा से मैं ढूंढ रही थी. Finally found this big boy, and look at the size. It's so big, and इतना classy दिखता है whenever you pair it with any outfit. Especially you're wearing like a very stylish, you know, court set or something like that. It's stunning, and there's so much of space inside. This is from H&M, and दो colors में आते हैं. There's a chocolate brownish sort of color, and this, I feel now I should have picked up the chocolate brown as well, because पता नहीं फिर कब ऐसे बड़े big oversized clutches मुझे मिलेंगे. Like, you can hold it like this, you can hold it like this. Okay, so oval glasses are like trending everywhere right now, and I thought, why not give this a try. तो मैंने दो लिए हैं. Look at this one. Love this. This is from H&M and looks so good. And एक और है मेरे पास, and I think I love this even more because it's like transparent with the gold rim. Looks so chic, so classy, and it has this white over here which I love. So ये दो मैंने H&M से लिए हैं, and I'm so happy about it. तो मेरे पास कुछ ईयरिंग्स है जो मैंने मिंत्रा पे लिए हैं. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. मुझे इतने अच्छे स्टेटमेंट ईयरिंग्स मिले हैं मिंत्रा पे दैट यू गाइस नीड टू हैव अ लुक. फर्स्ट वन, इट लुक्स huge. It's from the brand Sohi. That's the brand. And that's the earring. इतना बड़ा है ये. It's oversized, and it's the most unique gold earring that I own. Like, literally, this is how it looks. I love it. मतलब अगर आपका broad face है like I do and you like statement earrings, this is so unique and I can't wait to show you more styling looks of this earring. So this one's from Rubens and basic statement studs, but ये जो design है उस पे the wavy design, I like that a lot and I always gravitate to such earrings when I don't know what to wear. जो वो t-shirt dress मैंने आपको दिखाया था from Amazon, उस पे you can wear earrings like these, a gold watch, some bracelets and you are good to go. Such a lovely piece and Rubens के बहुत interesting styles हैं. These kind of like dome shaped studs are my absolute favorite. इतना बढ़िया लग रहा है ये and these are from a brand called Aqua Street on Myntra. I hope you can see this clearly. So it's like this at the back. So I like that curve that it has and again it looks so classy, like that the waistcoat, the black one, just denims, you wear this, oh my god, it looks so good. And I have another one. This is from the brand called Salty. ये जो सारे brands मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं, they have such fun gold studs and I'm really intrigued to try more. So this is from the brand Salty. These are like big oversized circular studs. ये flat है and let me show you how this looks. So you might feel from afar कि ये जो दोनों earrings मैंने दिखाए quite similar हैं, but no, when you wear it, like this is flat, that has a big curve, so it kind of like stands out. Even आप जब बाल खुले रखते हो, it just pops out better. So this is the last style that I picked up and this is from Minaz. तो ये भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है because on dresses when I want to wear something statement but I do not want something heavy or too much dangling earring, this is the best option that time and looks very nice. बहुत लंबा भी नहीं है, it's not like a stud, it's something in between. So dresses पे या फिर party outfits पे बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. So I love wearing this and these were the earrings that I've been loving a lot lately from Myntra and I've added all the links down below so you can check it out. Okay, मेरे पास कुछ makeup products हैं which I want to share with you guys. So first one is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation. This is what it looks like. मेरा shade है Amaretti 310G. तो मैं Huda Beauty का जो OG foundation है वो भी इसी shade में यूज़ करती हूँ and this one is very liquidy in consistency. First of all, love the packaging and काफ़ी lightweight है compared to the original foundation from Huda Beauty that is quite thick. So this one is so great for the summers. बहुत long lasting है. Like मैं literally ये पहन के if I'm just like walking in this heat also, it stays. Somehow it just stays and I am so glad that I picked this one up. Expensive है but I love this. Even for my shoot days, I love wearing this. So yeah, really recommend that you check this out if you're looking for a good long lasting lightweight foundation. Then I have a couple of lipsticks. The Fay Beauty Lip Whip, ये एक favorite formula है for me and I'm a big liquid lipstick person and this is really my favorite formula for liquid lipstick. This is in the shade, where is it written? Safe Wood and मेरे पास couple of shades हैं and I don't really know where I've kept all of it, but yeah, it's a beautiful everyday nude shade. Look at that. So that's the color, like a pinkish brown everyday nude and looks so great Indian skin tones pe. This is such a lovely color. Okay, this is one of my all-time favorite liquid lipstick. This is from Love Earth. It's a liquid mousse. The shade is Irish Coffee. You might find quite a lot of similar shades here, but these are the kind of shades I'm gravitating towards. So this is the shade. Oh my god, such a beautiful color. It's definitely darker than the Lip Whip by Fay Beauty, and smooth brown tone, more coffee-ish tone. Love this color so much for everyday wear. And then I found a new favorite actually, and I didn't know that I would like it so much. It's from Nykaa. It's a super light cloud liquid lipstick. Packaging भी बहुत अच्छा है इनका. Like look at this beautiful pastel lilac packaging, and the color that I love is cinnamon swirl. Actually, I have 3 shades. I love all of them, but yeah, like if I want a good brown, then this is the shade. Let me swatch it for you right here. Wow, that's such a beautiful brown color. बहुत ही लाइट वेट है एंड थोड़ा हद तक sheer है. It's not that opaque like these two liquid lipsticks, but that's the whole point of this liquid lipstick. It's supposed to be super light and very light on the lips. So बहुत ही प्यारा chocolate color है for everyday use, and yeah, love that. I have been very big into blushes lately, and especially like cream liquid blushes, and this has been like a favorite from so long. It is the blush that I'm wearing today, and literally मैंने इसके ऊपर कितना सारा bronzer, contour सब लगाया हुआ है, but I can still see my blush. It's not overpowering. I don't know if the camera captures the color right here, but it's from Gush Beauty. It's their Play Tint Lip and Cheek Tint. बहुत ही cute सा packaging है. So this is called Candy Cane. The shade comes with 2 shades. One is a bright red color like this, and one is a very muted brown pinkish nude color. I love both these colors. Let me swatch it for you guys. So that's how the colors look like. बहुत ही creamy and बहुत ही moisturizing texture है इस blush का. So it's so easy to blend, and जब everyday basis पे I just want to add a flush of color, I don't even powder my skin that time, and it just makes my cheeks look more flushed and my face looks more flushed and brighter. Why I like mixing both of them, because this is a little too bright and this is a little muted for my skin tone, so together they look so good, and they are very pigmented, very pigmented. So I love this blush. Okay, आते हैं to the last 2 products, and they are clothing products, but ये अभी फ़िलहाल मेरे पास नहीं है. They are in the laundry, but they are such beautiful ones and I've loved it. तो पहला है ये green lemon green शरारा set from Myntra, and मैंने इसे recently एक wedding function के लिए पहना था. You can see that. I will add pictures as and when I can on the screen for you guys. तो the best part was, एक तो इतनी गर्मी थी for the wedding, but this was cotton, yet it looked so appropriate for the mehndi function. I loved dressing up in this, and I felt so beautiful wearing this. So I really recommend that you check this one out अगर आप अच्छा wedding comfortable clothing ढूंढ रहे हो. And the next one is, I don't know if you guys can see what's on my phone, but it is this white corset set. ये मैंने वेस्ट साइड से लिया था. I did put up a reel recently showing some pics from West Side, and इतना अच्छा summer collection है उनका currently. They're just like killing it with their collection. And ये जो white corset set है, it is one of my most favorite ones because so great for this hot weather. Just wear it. You do not need to accessorize it much, and it looks so good. And इसपे जो छोटे छोटे hearts हैं, they're like steal my heart. So yeah, I love this set so much, and if I can try and link it for you guys, I will try and link it. Otherwise, go to your nearest West Side store and grab this. So ये थे सारे favorites for today's video. Let me know which was your favorite as well in the comment section down below. I know बहुत लंबा video था, but I hope you all enjoyed as much as I enjoyed filming it for you all. And you know the drill. अगर video अच्छा लगा, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.